Okay. So, there's potential energy and kinetic energy.
It's not on the board.
Thank you. I don't need you to call out any more times. Thank you. Okay, there's potential and kinetic energy. Potential needs to go on the side with the lines that are not underneath it. And then there are all these types of kinetic energy. You got to write those in the lines. All those types of kinetic energy. Perfect job. Okay. Keep writing the words in. Fine, we can't waste any more time on this. Let's do the next part. You need another 30 seconds?
It's confusing.
That's okay, there's an extra line. Fine. It's our job as detectives to try to figure out which energy is being displayed in a bunch of different situations. So, even though energy can easily transfer between types, some heat energy is always released into the atmosphere. Thank you for telling me in a nice way. I can't take anymore. Is that good? Okay. All right. So here we go. We're going to talk about how this works. So how does a hair dryer get energy? Love the hands. I'm going to start giving some soda out so people have been raising their hand the whole time. Go ahead, Jashiri. Good. So what kind of energy is that? Go ahead, Jesus. Good. Write electrical energy next to the plug. You got to make a plug. I'm sorry, Chalice. I didn't have any Google images with plugs on it. I'm sorry. Okay. Now, so this is electrical energy. Now, actually, inside the hairdryer, how it works is it uses this kind of like fanish thing that like spirals really quick. What is that kind of energy? Straight arms. Let's go. Go ahead, Lucella. Mechanical energy. Good job. So just draw the little fan. Good job. You are very close. And draw mechanical energy. Next.
Oh, God.
What happens? The fan turns and turns it into what that dries your hair? Go ahead, Aris. Good. And then there's also a kind of energy that makes it not able to talk to your mom when you're using something like this. Zip it.
I say the answer.
I know. Go ahead, Hannah. Yes. Good. Okay, so there's also sound energy. Perfect. Write sound energy on the side somewhere, because that's like on the side. Okay. Here's how the rest of this class is going to go. You have stations. If you turn over your paper, you're going to show the energy transfer. Like, so So for this one, you would say electrical, mechanical, heat, plus sound. Okay, that would be the energy transfer. Do you see that?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. All right, so you are sitting at a station right now. If you are in the first row or the third row, actually second row or the fourth row. Sorry. You have 6 stations to get to. You're only going to be at the station for 3 minutes each. Okay? You are going to quickly check it out and then move on. So, to go over the stations really quickly, some of them take like 10 seconds and some of them take like 2 minutes. So this one, you're going to use the comb, follow the directions. The next one, there's a 2-minute video on energy. Just watch the video and then write down what you see. Next one, you're going to, I have that. Cool. You're going to carefully put a little bit, and you can use your hands with the baking soda, it's okay. A little pinch of baking soda in here. And then use this. And just fill it up and put it in and watch the heat transfer, or whatever transfer it is. Then the next one is the flashlight. That's easy. See, that's the one where you can chill for a few minutes. Then that one over there is eat 1 piece of cereal. I have cereal up here. I'm going to give you guys a piece. You're just going to eat it and then just talk about what kind. And then talk about the transfers. 6 is over here on the side. Okay? You spend 3 minutes at each station. I'm going to wait for you to be silent before we move on.
That's still on.
Okay. So, in order to make this happen, you need to put everything away besides just your paper and the pen.